Hello, I'm going to show you how to fix Killing Floor 3 Unreal Process Crashed UE-Nightfall LowLevelFatal GPU Crashed Ampera. So first of all, update or rollback GPU drivers. AMD GPUs with Windows 10 often crash during shader compilation. Upgrading to Windows 11 may resolve the crash until patches are released. For NVIDIA users, some report success by rolling back to driver version 576.88. Delete the Nightfall shader cache folder, go to Users, Your Name, App Data, Local, Nightfall. Delete the entire folder to force recreation on next launch. Adjust shader cache settings in GPU control panel. In NVIDIA control panel, check the shader cache size is set to driver default or higher. A low shader cache can cause frequent recompilations and crashes. Edit game user settings.ini to disable heavy visual effects. Navigate to users, your name, app data, local, nightfall, saved config Windows client, open game user settings.ini. Add or modify these lines under script/nightfall.nf user settings. Save the file and relaunch the game. Lower CPU core clock ratio. Some users resolved crashes by reducing performance core ratio by one step via Intel XTU. Final advice, start with driver adjustments, clear the Nightfall shader cache and GPU shader settings, edit graphic settings. If still crashing, try lowering CPU clock. Always submit crash reports using the in-game tool. It helps dev diagnostics.